Hey there, hungry veg heads. Today I'm featuring summer veggies. Primo veggie season, right? Now, a fresh take on a classic ratatouille with a trick my nonna taught me. Salt pickled eggplant. We call them melanzane sott'olio. Eggplant needs a push, but zucchini, a little nudge. Salt and lemon. See all that juice? When eggplant sits with salt, it draws out all that liquid and kind of cooks the eggplant. Pretty cool, huh? At the end of summer, my mom and I, we do a ton of melanzane sott'olio. We use them for everything, for antipasto, pastas, salads, in sandwiches, and for this crazy awesome ratatouille. This is another reason why Italian nonnas are so strong. Calabrian chilies, nice medium heat, and look at that color. Love the rosemary. Look at that, we've just got started and it looks so good already. Perfectly cooked carrots for my puree. Just needs a pinch of spice. Cold butter for a glossy shine. Parsley and oregano.
In my heart, I feel love. In my soul, all is right with the world. You're the one, baby, I'm in no doubt. Dreams come true. In my heart, I feel love. In my soul, all is right with the world.
I almost don't want to break it. Oh, I do. The most delicious summer ever. Wow, just wow. Remember, VegHeadz, plant a seed, watch it grow, eat your greens, and watch this show.